guys, today we're gonna do some stereotypes.
The pleasant one. The gross one. Ew. The slow one. The loud one!
Oh, crap! Oh, man. Oh. Gosh, freaking. Oh, yeah. Oh, woo-wee! Oh, that's delicious. Oh, my gosh. Woo! Man. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh, wee.
The karate one. Whoa. Yeah.
Oh no, gotta run.
The animal lover.
So good. Are you okay? Hold on. It's okay. Here you go. Yeah. Poor doggy. You know what? You deserve it. You deserve more. Just take all that. You know what? Here. Take the whole bucket.
I don't even know what to call this one.
Oh, I just got jumped from the gym! Ooh. Ah! No! Oh! 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 Where are you, dog? Stop eating my food! Stop eating my food! This is mine!